first bowl, he bowled a 3. On his second bowl, he got a 1. So what we're going to do is right here we're going to add like a plus sign because it's an open frame. So now his score for his first frame would be a 4. For his second bowl, he got 3 pins down, which give him a total of 8 for this frame. But we have to take 8 plus the previous frame, which gives me 12. For Mr. Arms' third frame, he had a 3 for his first bowl, a 4 for his second bowl, which gives us a total of 7. But when we add it to 12, we now have 19. So for Mr. Arms' fourth frame, he had 7 for his first bowl, 1 for his second bowl, which gives us a total of 8 when we add those together. When we come back down, adding 8 to 19 gives me 27. All right, so Mr. Arms finally got a strike, which means if we go back, means we have 10 points plus 2 additional bowls. So that means we have to wait to add those 2. So for Mr. Arms' sixth frame, he had a 7 for his first bowl and a 2 for his second bowl, which is an open frame. So we're just going to add those together, which gives us a 9. But we have to bring that back where we're going to add the next 2 bowls. So it's 10 plus 7 plus 2 is 19. 9 plus 10, 19. So I'm going to add that to 27. So we have 19 here. So it's 7 plus 2 plus 10. 19 plus 27 is going to give me 46. And since it was an open frame, we have to come back, and now we're going to add 9 to 46, which gives me 55. Alright, so for Mr. Arms' seventh frame, he has a 6, and then he closed it out with a spare, which means now, coming back, we get 10 points plus an additional bowl. So what that means is we have to wait to find out what his next first bowl is to add it to our total of 10, so then add it to 55, and then we can fill out this frame. Alright, so for Mr. Arms' 8th frame, he had an open frame with 6 and 3, but before he had a spare. So what we have to do is we have to add 6 to 10, which right here we're going to add that together, which gives us 16, which then gives us 71. And then coming back, we have 6 plus 3 gives us 9, add it to 71, and now we have 80. Alright, so for Mr. Arms' 9th frame, he has an open one with 6 and 1, so we're going to add those together, which gives us 7, add it to 80, and now we have 87. Going into our 10th frame. Alright, so since we're in the 10th frame, there's a special rule, and since Mr. Arms had a strike on his first roll, he has 2 additional bowls to add into his total, since we have to wait for the 2 additional points to add in to our original 10. Mr. Arms had a strike, and then he had 9, but he finished out with a spare. So when we put these together, that is worth 10 points. Plus 10 points, which gives us 20. We have to add that into our final total here for 107.